Hi, my name's Griffin, and today I'll be taking you through my mixed reality cooking system, Light Kitchen. Light Kitchen is the culmination of my senior honors thesis research in intelligent environments. It brings together foundational concepts in projection mapping and computer vision to explore how future interfaces can reduce cognitive load, even in tasks that we're used to doing every day. I focused on cooking as the scope of the study because when we cook, we execute both well-practiced and novel routines. In addition, we also do a lot of subconscious optimization in the little choices that we make to reach our goals. My aim was to create a means of interaction suited specifically for the challenges of cooking, as well as a system that could algorithmically optimize the process of cooking many courses at the same time, such that the user doesn't have to think about it. The kitchen is full of challenges. When following a recipe, the biggest pain point for the home cooks that I interviewed is accessing specific details of a recipe when they're relevant. Users often have dirty hands, are amidst loud noises, and have cluttered counters to deal with. Light Kitchen uses a laser projector to turn the user's counter into the display. All of the information is on your cutting board. Dirty hands aren't an issue, no need for frustrating voice interfaces, and no need to worry about the clutter. All of the information one needs for the step is right there, and when it's time to move on, the user need look no further than their own hands. Light Kitchen uses a combination of depth imaging and color imaging to isolate the user's hand and calculates the fingertip for the cursor. It's able to close the loop between the display and imaging such that the user's counter becomes a touchscreen. Light Kitchen has a library of recipes that can be added to easily. The user can browse, filter by different flags, and select the recipes that they're in the mood for, then confirm or even send themselves a grocery list. When cooking many courses at the same time, before the user begins, Light Kitchen goes through each step of each recipe and reorders them to make sure that cooking is as optimized as possible. It does this by creating opportunities for concurrent cooking, meaning that any step that involves waiting for something to rise, boil, etc. can be switched away from to complete steps of another recipe until either the highest priority waiting is done or the new recipe can be switched from as well. In addition, it arranges the timing such that all the recipes finish as close in timing as possible. Timers keep track of all the scheduling for the users such that going through the optimal sequence of steps is a breeze and not a headache. Brighter timers show the user how much active time they can expect to spend on a step, and if they're wrong, adjust the timing for the next time automatically. The persistent timers keep track of steps that the user has switched away from and can provide an easy way to get back to them. The user can check the progress of a meal anytime by clicking the courses icon on the right or check out the map at the bottom to show how many steps are left or even anticipate a change in the recipe. Did you use too small of a bowl? No need to worry, this is one touchscreen that you can wipe down, throw pans on it, you name it. Light Kitchen is designed to make every second in the kitchen easier and more effective than ever before, but also no sweat to step away when the kitchen gets a little too hot.